Day. I took a trade today on BTC, and guess what, guys? The trade went against us, and we finally passed the phase one of the Bitfunded account, guys. What's good, YouTube? What's good, crypto community? What's good, traders? Happy new week and happy new month to you all. This April is going to be massive for the crypto community. We are finally going to see a proper hot season, proper pump, because we are just regaining ourselves from the dip and the bearishness we've been having. And one green candlestick or one big god candlestick is going to erase all the pain, and everybody is going to forget about the dip that we had, and everybody is going to be printing a lot of money. So you know what, guys? There's one thing I want to tell you guys. Adam, this month is my birthday, and my birthday is coming up on the 8th of April. So I'm so grateful, I'm so happy, regardless of what has happened. The Bible says, in all situations, you should give God thanks. So I'm so grateful to Him. It's not by my power that I'm still alive today. It's not by my power I'm still putting the work, but it's by His grace, it's by His mercies upon my life. So I'm so thankful to God for adding another year to my year. I'm very, very grateful. All thanks, all glory be unto the Lord. So if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, do make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and also comment down below motivation and discipline, because right here I'm documenting my journey, the grind, the effort from grass to grace, from zero to hero as a crypto investor and as a crypto trader. So by the grace of God, by the ending of this 2025, we are going to be somewhere, we are going to make a lot of money and a lot of profit. So, as you all know, during the weekend, we had a little bit of retracement in on the market, and we dumped during the weekend. And right now is the beginning of the week, and right now we are currently seeing a recovery on the market. And let's quickly take a look at BTC and do a top-down analysis. Let's see the price prediction, where Bitcoin is going next during this week. But although I believe that we are going to be bullish during this week. So guys, this is BTC on the weekly time frame. As you all know that the previous week you had a little minor correction, price going down as low as 81,000 dollars. But right now, on the beginning of this new week, we are currently on the green. And what we want to see for price on this new week is price closing above this previous high at around at around $88,600. We need to see price close above a bullish engulfing candle engulfing the previous week that we had a little minor correction, maybe a retest, or price will continue rallying higher up to 90 to the $100,000 levels. As you can see that on the weekly stochastic RSI, we can see that the blue line just crossed the orange line, indicates bullishness on the market, that we are going to be heavily bullish on the weekly, and price might break the 90 to $100,000 level between this week and next week. So what we want to see for price is for price to actually close above the $88,000 previous candlestick high on the weekly. Then we could see a rapid momentum on the weekly. But we don't want to see price go down as low as maybe closing below this candlestick level around at around $79,000. If we close around this level, we could see price go down to retest this trend line at around 69,700 before we could see a bounce. But if not, maybe we close above $88,000, we could actually see a parabolic move. So guys, this is BTC on the daily time frame. As you can see that we had a little bit of dip, went down as low as 81,300, and we found support, tapping on this support zone. And this previous day candlestick closed green, which indicates this is a doji candle, and this indicates a reversal. And right now, currently today, we are seeing that price has engulfed this previous 2 days candlestick, and we could actually see a massive momentum for Bitcoin breaking above this resistance trend line. And also, if you take a look at the daily stochastic RSI, you can see that the blue is about to cross the orange, which indicates a bullish momentum on the daily. I think till the today candlestick we definitely close green. If today candlestick closes green, we are going to see a a rapid move for price. I think when price finally breaks this trend line on the daily, we might not see a retest of this trend line, but maybe price just rallying higher. But if we see a retest, that will be a break of structure or a change of character on the daily, because it will mark out this level. We can see that once price closes above this trend line, we could see that this would be the crossing the 88,600 would be a change of character. Then we could definitely see maybe a little bit of pullback into an order block or a support level before price breaking above the 90,000 to the $100,000 level. So guys, this is BTC on the hourly time frame. As you can see that there was a break of structure around this level. Price went down and uh, retraced back to this fair value gap. Although this trade you see I took here was during the weekend. It was Sunday, Saturday through Sunday I took this trade, but I was afraid. I was supposed to set my TP around this liquidity area here for price to take out, but I was afraid maybe price might not go lower, then reverse back to the upside with a change of character. So I was wrong, although I closed the trade at around $60 in profit, because my take profit was supposed to be around this level, around the $81,600 level. So we saw price going as low as 81,300, and a rapid expansion to the offside. We this I will not mark this level as a change of character, because price did not make a candlestick close above this high right here. Price did not make a candlestick close above this high right here, but created a candlestick wick. So when price came down, price found support around this level, then went up with a break of structure, and I marked out this level as the break of structure and also the change of character. Although I was waiting for price to take out this high at around this level, at around this swing high here that made this first break of structure. I waited for price to take out this level before coming down to my other block, but price rejected. But still, it's still my strategy. So waiting. Right now, I'm waiting for price to go down to this my other block. Then I'll be heading down to the 15-minute time for my confirmation entry. And you can see that my take profit is at 85,400, and my stop loss is at 82,600. So that is it for the top down analysis on Bitcoin. I hope this trade goes in our direction. So guys, that is my analysis for BTC, and there's one thing I have to say is that we just need one trade to pass the phase one account, and we just need this trade. If this trade goes in our direction, we are going to pass phase one, and I know that once we pass phase one, phase two will not be a problem for us, because phase two is just 5%, right? And the what's it called, 5% of 5,000 is at around 300 or 200 and something dollars, at around those levels. So we just need this trade and two more other trades to pass the account, then we actually get funded with the Bitfunded crypto Profem account. So hopefully this trade goes in our direction, because I usually risk between 50 to 48 $49 as my risk management, which is 1% of the account. So we don't need this trade to even hit TP. We just need it to go up maybe $112 or $113. Then I'm done with phase one. So that's it guys, and later in the day I'll be heading over to the gym. As you know, on this channel, if you follow me for a while now, I love going to the gym. I normally work out 3 times a week. So having a good physique, having a good body, it strengthens your mind, keeps you in check, because for you to be a disciplined trader, you must first be disciplined in other fields. If you're not disciplined in other fields, you won't be a disciplined trader. You need to master patience, discipline, understand, regardless of what you feel, how you feel, you still do what is expected. regardless of what I feel, I still go over to the gym, work out, you know, do my normal programs. You understand? So that's it, guys. I'll see you all at the gym. So, guys, I'm at the gym, and then today I'm going to be doing upper body program, some bench press, shoulder workouts, and tricep, and a little bit of tricep. So let's hit the bench. I'm going to starting out with 15, as you all know it. Progressive overload from 15 to 20, from 25, then 30. Second set. Third set. So this is 20 kg, and I'll be going 10 reps, 3 sets, upper chest. Let's go. Second set. Eight. Come on! Whew. Third set. One more. Second set. So guys, I'm done for today. Upper body done and dusted, and I'm so freaking tired right now. Tired. I need to get something good to eat to fill my stomach for me to regain my strength. I'm so worked out. And regarding to the setup I showed you guys today on BTC, so price came to my zone, my order block, and price invalidated my order block, so I could not take the trade. So this is one thing I love about confirmation entry. Assuming it was a risk on entry, price went on the zone, tapped me on the zone, and just created a liquidity sweep down to around 42,800 or something, hitting my stop loss, going lower before breaking structure above, and now price is at $85,000 on Bitcoin. So tomorrow I could not take the trade because price invalidated my setup, broke to my order block, sliced through like butter. So tomorrow I'll be looking for another setup. Although I've seen another setup, then tomorrow I'll be looking forward to take the trade. So done for today. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. So what's up guys, how you all doing? Today is Wednesday. I took a trade today on BTC, and guess what guys, the trade went against us, and we finally passed the phase one of the Bitfunded account, guys. I told you all that I have this belief that we are going to pass this account. I told you all. So there is a news released today that Donald Trump is increasing tariff or something like that, but I don't really understand the news because I don't pay much attention to news. I'm just strictly a technical trader. So I think the market is reacting positively to the news, and Bitcoin right now is exactly at $86,000, 86 around that level. So the news is impacting the crypto market positively, and that was why our trade hit TP. We got around $160 and made us to pass the phase one of the Bitfunded account. So let me show you all the trade. What I saw before taking the trade. This is the trade we took, and you can see that trade smashed TP aggressively. So what did I see before taking this trade? As you can see, that price made a little bit of consolidation around this level, going down to as low as 81,000. Then an impulsive move went down, when did a little bit of sell off, then broke above structure. This I marked it as a change of character, and when price broke this high over here, this I marked as my market structure shift, because market has shifted from bearish to bullish. And I marked out this my order block around this level, waited for price to come to this level, then I went down to the 15-minute time frame for my confirmation entry. Then I took this trade. This was a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and you can see that price smashed TP aggressively just within how many hours? Within 8 hours or something. So this was how we passed the phase one of the Bitfunded account. So that is it, guys. That was how we passed the phase one of the account. So there's one thing I love about the energy that and the discipline we put it on this profile. Unlike the prop W profile that I did not stick to my strategy enough. I was just trying to pass the account as much as possible. I forgot that when you stick to your rules as a trader and you stick to your plans, you will definitely grow as a trader, irrespective. Once you just learn about capital and risk management, automatically you are going to make profit. So that was what I forgot about the first profit, which was prop W. But I actually got the bit from there, and I learned from my mistake. If you are doing anything in this life and you did not learn from your mistake, you are still going to repeat the same thing. You understand? You are still going to go in a loop. And another thing is that you can see the, the trajectory of this account was just up. I was not in a drawdown, maybe in a drawdown of $250 drawdown, you understand? So it was just, although I take a couple of losses, like one or two losses on the account, but I did not go in a drawdown below the $5,000 what is it, or capital. You understand? So the trajectory was just up. So that was how I was able to pass this account. As you can see that this is a screenshot of the phase one. You can see the target limit, the profit target limit was 400, and we got $443 in profit. So I'm hoping that phase two will not be hard, although I'm not going to let this get to my head, because you know that in trading, once we get a couple of wins, we think maybe we are the masters of the market, until the market will humble you. So I'm not going to let it get to my head. I'm still going to try to, as much as possible, to stick to my rules and stick to my plan with a proper risk management. We just need 2 trades to pass the phase two, and the take profit target for the phase two is $250, which is 5% of the $5,000. And I just need 2 trades to pass the second, and if I can get 2 trades, then we can actually get funded and start making some withdrawals, guys. So I'm really happy for this progress. All thanks to God. And this month is my birthday, coming up on the 8th. So I'm definitely going to share everything with you guys. If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, the Freedom Trader, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and also comment down below discipline and motivation. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully maybe I have another setup tomorrow. Peace out. So guys, today is Friday, and there was no setup for today, but regardless, we still passed the phase one of the Profem account, and we'll be looking forward to next week to take another trade. Still the same strategy, the same grind. You all know how it is, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below, because if you are just watching me for the first time, there's a 100% guarantee that you might not see this video again. But for you to see this video, for you to know the journey, you just have to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do so.